storm has now arrived. Hello guys, it's Stormboy13 and today I have some brief special news to tell you. Now, before I mention it, this time last year I have done it even though it was pre-recorded due to, well, early April last year I had no laptop. This was an old one, I've got a new one, it's still working fine. Today's plan, why am I saying plan? No, today's video is going to be something quite special happening in exactly 5 years time. Yep, you heard me, 5 years time. Hopefully I will be able to witness a potential solar eclipse at the United States of America. Now, I bet you're wondering, where did I heard this from? I'll briefly mention, won't mention his name, but I met a guy at a skiing place last winter, 2018 that is, and he mentioned about the events, and although I've witnessed a partial solar eclipse back in UK March 2015, I've never witnessed a full one, and that will be one of the main things I would love to see or witness before I die, is to see a full solar eclipse, and I think this will be an amazing opportunity for me. In hopefully 5 years time. 8th of April 2024. In terms of location wise United States of America, that is not yet been confirmed yet, but that's something I've got my hopes on. So, what other unbelievable things I've witnessed in my life? Well, first off, since my YouTube channel has begun, one day in January 2014, we had an unusual, well, first of all it was unseasonable. We had a thunderstorm in the middle of winter on the 25th of January, but that was not a normal storm. That storm brought in squall-woolly winds, and for some places very close to where we was, a tornado which was strong enough to blow off the decking of our house. Here's a quick clip of that. That complete. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh dear. Yeah, that was pretty scary stuff. Not just that, occasional lightning storms in Florida, which was spectacular. Very rarely see those. But I think the other most unbelievable thing I've witnessed was the blood red sun. October 2017, normal day. Completely wasn't expecting it, so we had a warm day as well. And that just blew my breath away. My photograph, which I'm briefly showing you, got shown on the editor's pick on BBC in the UK, and yeah, it was even featured as well, and they even have my comment on there, which was definitely a lucky day for me. So yeah, these are just a few of the most amazing weather phenomena I've witnessed, despite mostly being in the UK. You don't get to have one of those. But that's something hopefully in 5 years time, that's going to be on my to-do list before I die, is to see the actual full solar eclipse, because I'm not sure we'll be getting that in the UK before my life officially ends. So that's today, 5 years time, is my, well, hopefully it's my dream to see that. Like I said, location is unknown. But what about is it going to be for the USA solar eclipse? Let's find out. And also, there's, according to the news on one of the American websites today, as we know from this date, it's the 8th of April, it's exactly 5 years, we know, until the next solar eclipse in North America. So, this is ideal for me, because I really haven't looked at it yet, but here are the top 10 places to see the USA solar eclipse, and I'll mention that in full detail before that. So, 5 years today, well, hopefully I'll be going to the United States to see the solar eclipse. So, it will rip across Mexico, the US and Canada over a total of 139 minutes, giving a glimpse of totality to potentially over 30 million people, and hopefully I'll be one of those. Totality will last even longer. The last solar eclipse in America was recorded on August 21st, 2017. It will be around 4 minutes, and totality will be even darker, apparently. For all the background advice and eclipse chasing tactics, so don't miss any companion post today. Anyways, ignore all that, the last bit. So, where to watch the 2024 total solar eclipse? There will be thousands of incredible places to watch the 2024 solar eclipse. We haven't got it yet, be patient. Perhaps the best place of all is your own home, But okay, the chances of a total solar eclipse being observable from any one Pacific plane on Earth is about 400 to 1. So if you only see totality from your home, okay, anyways, I would advise planning to do so because watching the light change pre-eclipse is an even weirder to watch in a place you know well. However, everyone else, the choice is endless. Anyways, now we're on the main topic. Here are 10 places where totality will be visible 5 years today across Mexico, USA and Canada. In fact, let's do top 10. So starting from number 10, Ellison Point, Newfoundland in Canada. The total will be 2 minutes and 52 seconds, 5:13 p.m. Canada time. Number 9. Oh, this is a bit tricky to pronounce. Quachibluggy Natural Park and Dark Sky Preserve, New Brunswick. Total of 3 minutes and 16 seconds, 4:34 p.m. Canada time. I think that's, no, is that in Canada? Yes, it is in Canada. Just checking. And then number 8 is the Point Pellet Natural Park, Ontario. No, that's in Canada. Total of 2 minutes and 54 seconds at 3:13 p.m. Canada time. Now, I bet you're wondering, that's shorter than number 9. Apparently, it's to do with, well, the view is even better than number 9, basically. Anyways, if you want to know any full detail, go on Forbes.com. I think that's the site, or just go on USA Solar Eclipse Forbes. They'll mention it. The sooner you do it, the more likely you'll get it, unless it's an update. Back to the top 10. Number 7, I think that's definitely an ideal one. Niagara Falls, again that's in Canada, with 3 minutes and 27 seconds, 3:18 p.m. Canada time. I'll quickly mention a little bit of detail. For those wanting to touch the sky, the Skylon Tower sits 775 feet above the falls, offering breathtaking views to the region. So, probably recommend number 7, or number 6, Presque Isle State Park, Eric, Pennsylvania, and I know that's in America. 3 minutes 45 seconds, 3:16 p.m. US time. So basically, it comes with an added bonus of being near Interstate 70, which can risk you northeast or southwest if there's cloud cover. Number 5, Bald Knob, Cross of Peace, Illinois, 4 minutes 8 seconds, 1:58 p.m. US time. A little bit of a fact, some 730 people watched this 2017 eclipse from atop Bald Knob Cross in Alto Pass, and I would certainly do so again in 2024. Bald Knob Mountain, what a weird name, is one of the highest places in the area. No, sorry, don't take any offence if you heard that. There were some great images of 2017 eclipse here. Alright, let's have a quick look. Beautiful. Anyways, we're now at the top 4. Number 4, Enchanted Rock State Natural Area in Texas. 4 minutes 25 seconds, 1:33 p.m. US time. A little bit of detail. It's the summer trail bound will be busy. It's just 18 miles north of Fredericksburg. It's also an international dark sky park. Number 3, Lost Maples State Natural Area, Vanderpool, also in Texas. This will last for 4 minutes 25 seconds at 1:30 p.m. US time. Again, another bit of brief detail. It will first experience a Ring of Fire solar eclipse October 14th, 2023, 6 months before full totality 6 months later. Another bit of brief detail. The intersection of the center line of both paths of these eclipses occur for Lost Maple State Natural Area, an area of hills, valleys, rivers and canyons. It's also a favoured haunt for stargazers and amateur astronomers. Now one at number 2, and it's at Fredericksburg, Texas, 4 minutes 23 seconds, 1:32 p.m. US time. And again, a brief bit of detail. It's a bonus. Spring is when Texas Hill Country comes to life with wildflowers. So if you had a nice sunny clear day with the solar eclipse with wildflowers, boy, that would be just a beautiful view. Now at the top spot, there's no honourable mentions. We're going straight on there, no messing about. Number 1, it's not in the US. It is in Mazatlan in Mexico. 4 minutes 17 seconds, 12:07 p.m. I probably wouldn't have gone for that, but okay. Let's go through. This is the top spot. Let's go through the full detail. The 2024 eclipse first makes land on the Pacific coast of Sinaloa, Mexico, with the beautiful coastal town of Mazatlan just north of the center line, served on Olas Atlas Beach. So check out the Mazatlan Aquarium then. For the eclipse,
hiked the 45 minutes up to El Faro de Metanima, the highest lighthouse in the Americas. I can't speak Spanish or Mexican, for a jaw-dropping view of the moon's shadow coming in over the Pacific. Since totality is just after midday, you'll have all morning to get there. Probably would have gone with US, but anyways, those are my top 10. So that is it for the 5-year solar eclipse announcement video. Hopefully in a 1 year time. What would the update be for 4 years potentially? But there you go, guys. 5 years today, filmed today, 8th of April. I'll hopefully be able to witness a solar eclipse, and maybe this may interest you guys. If you've watched this video and you may want to see a solar eclipse in the United States or Mexico, the opportunity could potentially be yours. That's all I've got to deliver. The next video, I know I've been really absent with the UK weekly weathers. I do apologise. I'll try and get those back on track soon. Just had stuff going on, been busy with exams. But the next video will be UK weekly weather. Probably will be more likely to be the UK May weather outlook. So yep, I haven't forgot about those. I will miss it at one point, but yep, I will try and get the weather outlook for May next month, some point later in the week. Other than that, any more videos you want me to do, like, comment, subscribe. I'm here to do them for you if I can. And other than that, Storm's now out.